While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH, with decentralized finance turning into all the rage. Calculations and science-supported cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level undertaking. It is generally famous among cryptographic money lovers, predominantly because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies, the blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital money. The whole peculiarity and the essential center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to plan and work on shrewd agreements, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called Serenity. ETH 2.0 is the expansion of the Ethereum system with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a progressive and steady stage-wise disclosing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional improvement and proficiency, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to lessen the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the blend will expand its asset use execution incredibly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are presently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. One of the fundamental motivations behind why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers constantly stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, subsequently searching for preferable choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. However, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Simultaneously, the ETH value conjecture of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.40 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long estimate uncovers that the ETH cost might be $4,489 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost conjecture. ETH value forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost vacillations, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,050 for 2023. An examination. The base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,450 and $2,650. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $4,100. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,300 and $3,700. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4,300, $5,150, and $6,000 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and combinations soon of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum value forecasts 2026. Our Ethereum gauge uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $6,200 to $7,500, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $6,850. ETH coin value forecast 2027. In view of the Ethereum gauge, the coin might have an expected high and possible low of $7,600 and $6,400 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $7,000. Ethereum crypto value expectation 2028. As per our expectations, for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $7,800 and $9,300 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $8,550. Ethereum coin value expectation 2029. continuously 2029. Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $12,200 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $9,500, the typical worth is supposed to be around $10,850. Ethereum value expectation 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 demonstrated the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $12,500 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $15,555 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $14,028 in the year 2030 in view of our examination. Greg Lunt tweets, #Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market all in all. That Martini fellow BTC accepts. Assuming #Ethereum breaks obstruction around $1,305, it will be an exceptionally pleasant day. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto specialists. We reason that the Ethereum projected development will definitely arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, assuming that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Nonetheless, this doesn't comprise venture exhortation in any structure. Complete your own exploration to lessen the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Be that as it may, do your own intensive exploration prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in light of your speculation goals to decrease every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost forecast, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this good faith. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important venture. Gave you plan all your speculation choices shrewdly and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost forecast 2030, the coin will have essentially a worth of $14,028. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Indeed, ETH is the future as it is quick to accompany savvy contracts. For crypto financial backers, the verifiable value pattern can demonstrate Ethereum a wise interest as far as crypto conversion scale esteem in the long haul. There is no demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly without high gamble. Will Ethereum rise? Indeed, ETH will rise. The ETH cost will take off as the market recuperates. The cryptographic money costs are supposed to come to the $6,000 mark by 2025. In this way, every one of the people who are befuddled and asking will Ethereum crash can take on our response, no, the ETH costs will rise. Yet remember to do your own examination. Is ETH better than Bitcoin? The Ethereum blockchain was intended to do considerably more as it is more pervasive among engineers than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the most seasoned digital forms of money, while ETH is one of the highest altcoins. According to the new news and value pattern of Bitcoin and ETH, the last option had reflected steady development. Also, according to our Ethereum cost estimates, ETH may be the best venture among other critical coins. Will Ethereum reach 20,000?